This is polymer clay. This guy said the polymer clay is cool, and suggested I post it, so. These are some of my mushrooms that I've made. And these are some of my fruit that I've made. They're currently drying because their glaze is a little bit sticky, so. This is the gloss and the paint that I've been using. So I'm going to show you a bunch of my little things I've made. This is a beret. This one's a little bit dodgy because I got red in the white, but this is a strawberry. This is a cat. This is what happens when you put a cheap brand of acrylic paints in the oven. This is a turtle. This is a dessert with a tiny little strawberry. This is a cat snail. This is a biscuit. It says yikes on it. This is a teddy bear. I have no idea what this is. This is a blueberry donut with white icing and chocolate sprinkles. These are going to be earrings. They're just not glazed yet, so yeah. And this is what I've been spending a lot of my day on. Check it out. How fantastic is this? It's super shiny and it has like little liney things and everything. Yeah. So that's my mushroom. Yeah. This is a cookie. So I don't know if you like this kind of stuff. If you do, I could always make videos on doing it because I showed you how much I had. I have a lot of polymer clay, so yeah. So how do we feel about this being my merch store? Look at it. Look at these guys. Look at them. I'm gonna repaint them, I think, but I can save them. It's just a bad coating of paint. It's no biggie, so yeah.